Welcome today. Discover how to exploit AI to your advantage. Artificial intelligence will revolutionize all fields, potentially replacing jobs. But fear not. Join me on this engaging journey into the world of artificial intelligence. In this informative video, AI, simply put, is the programming of machines to think, learn, and make decisions in an intelligent manner, resembling human intelligence. However, there is no comparison between them. This is why many people have concerns about AI replacing them in the future. These concerns are not new. Humans have been afraid and asking themselves similar questions since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution and the appearance of machines in the 18th century, particularly in Britain. We saw the first machine capable of performing tasks previously done by humans in the textile industry, such as gathering cotton and wool, spinning, and weaving manually. Then, in 1764, the English inventor James Hargreaves invented a textile spinning machine called the spinning jenny, which could perform the work of 10 workers alone. This led to protests and riots by textile workers in Britain because they were afraid of losing their jobs to machines. It is said that a group of textile workers stormed and destroyed Hargreaves' invention. However, in reality, they couldn't stop the progress of machines. At the same time, many other industries started using machines more extensively. For example, the drivers who used to drive horse-drawn carriages were now facing automobiles with engines and different systems. It was believed that these workers would starve because machines took their place. But in reality, these machines required human energy to operate, maintain, and improve. They created more job opportunities for a larger number of people and opened up new professions that didn't exist before. Those who didn't develop their skills and adapt to the new situation were left behind. The same thing is happening now with the technological revolution and artificial intelligence. So, who invented artificial intelligence and how does it work? The term artificial intelligence first appeared in the 1950s, mentioned by the technology pioneer Alan Turing in a research paper published in 1950. But back then, it was just an idea. Nowadays, artificial intelligence has become a reality, and its basic concept is that electronic systems can analyze massive amounts of data, understand relationships, and patterns within the data. With this capability, AI systems can execute tasks much faster than humans, saving time and effort. Let me explain this in a simple example. In a language processing system like artificial intelligence, it can analyze millions of sentences and phrases, understanding the words and the context. So, when you communicate with it, it can generate new responses based on what it has learned. There is another system that can draw or modify images by scanning millions of pictures available on the internet and recognizing the elements in them. Finally, thank you for joining us on this exploration. Embracing the potential of artificial intelligence can lead us to a future filled with innovation and new possibilities. Rather than fearing its presence, let us recognize the opportunities it presents. By understanding how AI works and leveraging its capabilities, we can enhance our own skills, create new career paths, and improve our lives in numerous ways.